Hi, it's Ken Hadrick with more simple cooking for hard times, and today I want to share a simple summer salad recipe that's colorful and delicious and perfect for anyone who likes cutting their food into little squares. It brings together an unlikely couple: sweet, juicy watermelon and salty feta cheese, and not only do these opposites attract, they make beautiful music together. Now, our recipe serves 4 to 5 people, but it's easy enough to scale it up or down depending on how many you're feeding. So put 4 cups of cubed seedless watermelon and about 1 cup of diced English cucumbers in a bowl, and then add all kinds of fresh chopped mint. A bit of fresh basil is fine too. If you have mint in your garden or you grow it, then you know it grows like a weed, so this is your chance to use a lot of it up. Now grate some lemon zest on top of everything. To make the dressing, whisk 2 tablespoons light olive oil, a tablespoon balsamic vinegar, 2 teaspoons honey, and a big pinch of salt in a small bowl. Pour it over the watermelon and mix everything up. Finally, stir in a cup of cubed feta cheese. Now go easy, you want the feta to stay in chunks, not crumble into snowflakes like a snow globe. And that's it. As easy and casual as this salad is, it's still a little bit classy. Like me, with emphasis on the little bit. And you could dress it up and serve it in chilled stemware or with a sprig of mint on top. Or you could eat it right out of the bowl. Either way, it's a light and refreshing salad that you can serve all summer long. See you next time with more simple cooking for hard times. Take care.